Today, we stand at the end of a beautiful journey. For the past 6 years, we have grown together, learning, laughing, playing, and sometimes even crying. Every moment we've shared at this school will always hold a special place in our hearts. To our beloved teachers, thank you for your patience, your guidance, and your endless dedication. You were not only our teachers, but also like second parents to us. To our younger schoolmates, keep studying hard and make this school even better with your spirit and achievements. To all my fellow graduates, though we may go to different schools, don't forget the memories, the smiles, and the friendships